The moment of zen I had was the idea of like, I want to fly. I want to be a trader. I want to fly. Well, I can't fly. The closest I can come, though, is I can learn to fly by flying a drone. But I can do that safely because if it crashes, I can replace that. So that's my R. And now I can just learn carefully to take off and land, entry and exit. Everything else in the middle is just management in the usual way and go places and see things. But entry and exit is takeoff and landing. The landing is more important than the takeoff. Takeoff, you just hit the gas, go. So just go. The landing is everything. And then the management of the trade is everything to approach the landing. So practice that a lot. I remember sitting with my dad watching the Air National Guard shooting landings over Greater Pittsburgh Airport. They would just practice takeoff and land, just hitting that. The stuff in the middle didn't matter. That was just mission. So the drone allows you to experience all that at a carefully managed price, and then you just learn how to feel your way through it, and you're learning touch with a load on. And that's the difference between simulations and paper trading and trading. It's the difference between lightning and the lightning bug. So I'm glad you're learning those lessons early about trade with one share and just watch yourself.